Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel, Explore with Ayush. It's a really beautiful morning, and I'm taking you all to Chicago River Walk with me. So stay tuned. So we will go to the Wacker Drive side of the bridge. Then go down from Clark Street. And here we are, the beautiful Chicago River. Right here you'll see the headquarters for Encyclopedia Britannica and the famous Marina City. Chicago Riverwalk is stretched 1.25 miles from Lake Street to Lake Michigan. On this route there are many restaurants, playing areas for kids, and docking for boats. We took a break to watch pigeons playing in the water. After that, we passed State Street, Wabash Avenue, and a couple of restaurants. We reached Michigan Avenue Bridge. We will make a separate video on Michigan Avenue later. Right after you cross Michigan Avenue, you'll see Apple Store, Wrigley Building, and Trump Tower. My brother and I played here for a while. October is not far. Pumpkin decorations are already here. Not far from there's a beautiful sitting area. A bit ahead of that, you'll find Urban Kayak Rentals. You can rent a kayak and explore the beautiful Chicago River. Here they give you training before you go on the kayaks. At the end of the Riverwalk, you will find this tunnel. It marks the end of the Riverwalk. Beyond that is Lake Michigan. Stay tuned for that. Here we are at the beautiful Lake Michigan. Usually take a walk up to this point in summer days. At the end of this bridge is Chicago Marine Safety Station. The city view from here is spectacular. It's time to go home. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications every time I post a new video. Until we meet again, take care and goodbye.